The Renault Vel Satis is an executive car that was produced by the French manufacturer Renault, launched at the 2001 Geneva Motorshow to replace the already discontinued Safrane. It was previously revealed as an concept car in 1998, at the Paris Motor Show. However, the following production model does not have very much in common with it. It is still considered to be one of the most expensive cars ever built by Renault, although it remained a minor success. The name Vel Satis is a composite of elements of the words velocity and satisfaction. A specially prepared Vel Satis was used by the President of France until 2009. The car was also Renault's flagship car. It has since been replaced by the Renault-Samsung built Renault Latitude. First, Renault with adaptive cruise control. Overview: the Vel Satis is distinguished by its unusual height, which benefits interior space but results in proportions some viewed as being ungainly. In September 2002, Car described it as ugly and very French. Design commentator Stephen Bailey decided that the problem with the car was that it was not ugly enough. Patrick Lecaimont, Renault's design chief, explained that the car was intended to have physical presence, rather than aspiring to classical elegance. Renault's stated intention was to target less conformist, selective modern customers who were identified as distancing themselves from the conventional saloon. The Vel Satis was an attempt to redefine the prestige car in French terms. It had a 5-star Euro NCAP safety rating and was available with a variety of engines: 2.0 T16 valve 4-cylinder, 3.5 24-valve V6 cylinder, 2.0 DCI 16 valve 4-cylinder, 2.2 DCI 16 valve 4-cylinder, 3.0 DCI 24-valve V6 cylinder. The Vel Satis shares its platform with the Laguna and the Space 4 and was produced on the same assembly line in Saint-Deauville, France. Reviews of the car were critical of its ride and its handling but noted the car was quiet under most conditions. The gearbox is prone to considerable hunting in its quest to deliver power, at which point engine noise intrudes more than anticipated, and the change itself is by no means the smoothest in the class. The reviewer noted that the V6 diesel engine was better suited to the car's lounge lizard pretensions, but that all of which conspires to make the car's ride quality even more of a disappointment. The ride quality was described as feeling over tough at pottering speeds, but displays a tendency to disintegrate into chop and judder when confronted with anything other than the smoothest of surfaces. In March 2005, Renault UK decided not to develop an RHD version of the facelifted 2005 Vel Satis, as sales of the model had been poor in the United Kingdom since launch. Although 3,500 sales were predicted, only a third of these were achieved. This came only 2 years after the Aventime Cooper copyright/MPV, which was equally ambitious in its design, was discontinued by Renault. The 2005 Vel Satis featured an reprofiled front grille section with less chrome, giving it an appearance similar to more recent concept cars from the brand. On August 27, 2009, Renault cancelled the Vel Satis production. The 2011 Renault Latitude is considered a replacement in Europe and other nations, because of his similar dimensions and class to the Vel Satis. References. External links: Renault Vel Satis, Concept Car Database, vel-satis.org,